Keep your workspace organized by assigning each node to the category that fits it. Classifications are used to organize and visually distinguish nodes on the canvas. To organize the right item, find the node on the canvas or in the Node Pages panel and bring it into focus. Then simply drag it between your classifications. You can right-click any classification in the panel to rename or change the corona colors. Alternatively, you can use the Notes panel dropdown. Open the Type field to see the available classifications. You can also use the button on the canvas. Here we assign servers and watch the corona change as it changes classification. Once you update the classification, you can continue expanding your graph, knowing that the node will stay organized under its new type. Your nodes are now neatly filed and easier to find in your workspace.